Okay, I know that was silly. However, I wanted to fill you guys in for senior signing day and what's going on. So, first off, it's Friday the 13th. That's tomorrow during advisory. You're going to go to your advisory teacher and get a pass. Let me show you the pass. It is looking like this. So, we got celestial blue passes. So, for senior signing day, if you are participating, you're going to go to advisory first, get this, and come on down to the auditorium during advisory. So during the auditorium time, we're going to have the stage set up. We found out what schools you're going to. You're going to be getting something like this. So we have somebody going to the University of Minnesota, and you're going to be taking this, going up on stage. Great backdrop photos taken for you to sign for the school, apprenticeship, military, or internship. So looking forward to tomorrow. Wear some gear if you want, or some colors of your school, and we're ready to celebrate.